In this tutorial, we will be using the same Sumo files which we had saved in the earlier tutorial and simulating them in Omnet++ Simulator. I have divided this simulation in 4 parts. Part 1. Creating of new project in Omnet++ and copying of Sumo files. Open the Omnet++ Simulator. Create a new project, that is, File, New Omnet++ Project, and name the file as Hello World and press Finish with default options. In the Project Explorer tab, we can see an empty directory with the file name Hello World has been created. Now, in the files, go to src, sumo, docs, tutorial, hello world and copy the 3 files, that is helloworld.net.xml, helloworld.route.xml and helloworld.sumoconfig to home workspace.omnetpp hello world folder. Now, open the terminal and change the directory to cd workspace.omnetpp hello world. Now type the command gedit helloworld.launchd.xml. Then we need to type the code to integrate the files into the workspace. The code has been mentioned in the description below. We will now copy the configuration files from the Vains example folder to the project folder. First, go to Home, Source, Vains, Examples, Vains, and copy the files antenna.xml and config.xml. Now, go to Home, workspace.omnetpp, hello world and paste the files here. Part 2. Creating of network description file. Go to the Omnet++ simulator and then go to File, New, Network Description File, NED. Name the file as hellonetwork.ned and select the save location as Hello World folder. Select the initial contents as empty NED file. Now go to Home, Source, Vains, Example, Vains, and open the RSU example scenario.ned file with the editor by right-clicking on it. Copy the code available and now paste in the hellonetwork.ned file, which is open in the Omnet++ emulator under the Source tab. Here, we change the name of the network to Hello Network and save the file. We will have to link the Vains to our project in the simulator as we see errors next to the import line of code. In order to do so, right-click on the project name in the Project Explorer, which is Hello World, go to Properties, and then go to Project Reference and select the checkbox next to the Vains. We can now see that the errors have been rectified. Setting up of initialization file. We shall need the Omnet++ initialization file, which has to be copied from Vains, Example, Vains, omnetpp.ini. Copy the file and paste it in the workspace.omnetpp hello world folder. Open the file in Omnet++ simulator and change the network name to Hello Network. Since between our network there are no obstacles such as buildings, just go to the editor and under obstacle parameters, comment out the old command and type a new line, obstacles.debug is equals to false. We will also need to modify the launch configuration under Tracy Scenario Manager by changing manager.launchconfig to point to the file that we had created, that is helloworld.launchd.xml. Now we have to define the behavior of the RSUs and cars. Under the app layer heading, we can change the application type to My Vains app. We will also be removing any accidents by making Vains mobility.accident count to 0. Make sure that you save the file. Part 4. We will now be running the Omnet++ simulation. Make sure that the Sumo script is running in the background. right-click on the INI file and select Run as Omnet PP Simulation. As we remember, we had created a junction and a car was moving in that route from left to right. The same shall now be simulated in the Omnet++ simulator. Once we press the run, we will be able to see the car moving from left to right. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to our channel, The Defeated Engineer.